Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to log into Directv. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the web browser on a device and go to directv.com. Now tap Sign In at the top right and tap Watch Now. You will be taken to the login page. So enter your user ID. If you forget your user ID, tap Forgot User ID and follow the instructions. Next, enter the password to your account. And if you forget the password, tap Forgot Password to reset it. Once you do that, check the box to save your user ID for an easier login next time. And tap Sign In. So that's how you log in to Directv. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.